Seal Glue-On Nozzle. Flow with the best. Gone prevents and reduces excess standing water that could compromise your building's foundation. By diverting water away from the building, Gone reduces the risk of mold and moisture damage. Install a Glue-On Gone downspout for a quick and superior solution in 3 easy steps. 1. Caulk and anchor. 2. Measure and cut. 3. Align and weld the integral PVC insert directly to the drain pipe, making it sturdy and theft resistant. Its timeless nickel brass finish enhances the building's architecture and will keep water flowing away from your building's foundation, protecting it from mold and moisture damage. Available in premium cast nickel brass Gone and a high-density polymer Duragon. Quality at its finest. For more information, call 800-231-3345 or visit us at rectorseal.com.